Hi guys, thank you for tuning in with me today. And yep, you guessed it, today is all about Mielle. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, stay right here with your girl. I'm starting off with the leave-in conditioner, and guys, I love this leave-in conditioner. It makes my hair feel so soft. And then after that, I follow up with my hair steamer. The reason why I use the hair steamer is because the products really penetrate my hair strands, and I mean, a girl needs that.
Right now. Shawty, let's vibe right now. Let's vibe right now. Oh, I like your vibe right now.
I'm following up with the Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk. My hair loves all things avocado, so I knew this product would be perfect for me. Next up is the Style Setting Spray. Okay guys, now I know people usually use this with like perm rod sets, but I just had the bright idea. Let me try this out on my Twistout. And yeah, I'm glad I did.
Let me break it down to a science, to the chemistry, your poetry.
Now it's time to twist. Guys, I don't use any type of super special technique. You're just going to take 2 sections and you're just going to twist and twist and twist. You got this.
Oh, I like your vibe right now. Shawty, let's vibe right now. Let's vibe right now. Oh, I like your vibe right now. Shawty, let's vibe right now. Let's vibe right now. Oh, I like your vibe right now. Shawty, let's vibe right now. Let's vibe right now. Oh, I like your vibe right now.
Okay, we did it. All we're gonna do is repeat the steps, and that's it.
Oh, I like your energy, baby, your energy, baby. Oh, I like your energy, baby, your energy, baby. Oh, I like your energy, baby, your energy, baby. Oh, I like your vibe. For real.
I allowed my hair to dry overnight, and I'm gonna go ahead and come in with the mint almond oil, focusing primarily on my scalp and using whatever is left on my hands down my twist. All that's left to do is unraveling of the twist and some light separation. Okay, well, I won't say light because I did kind of go in on the separation, but only because I really wanted big hair. So guys, I also wanted to share with you that lately I have been choosing products that work perfectly for the type of hair I have. I know that my hair is low porosity. I absolutely know what it loves and what it hates. One thing that I can tell you it hates for sure is thick products. It sits on top of my hair. It really does nothing for it. So I actually choose to use lighter products, which is why I loved everything that I use today from the Mielle line. Once you know what your hair loves and what it hates, it makes, wash day and when you're styling your hair so much easier. I'm just going to fluff my hair out just a bit, adding the finishing touches. And as you can tell, my hair is so fluffy. I mean, it feels great to the touch. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you take something from it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And please don't forget to rate and subscribe. Oh, and before I forget, all of the products that I used today are available in your local Walmart. So go ahead and check them out. And that's it for today, guys. Peace.